Businesses face a couple different problems, particularly open office plan workplaces. We see more and more of those out there in the marketplace. And two problems that happen in those sorts of environments is you have noise distraction and you also have confidentiality problems, particularly in certain industries where the conversations need to be kept private. The distraction and the confidentiality only exists because the listener can actually understand the conversations that they're hearing all around them. Those conversations are intelligible.
Yeah, I wanted to let you know. Layoffs. Okay. Oh no.
So what a speech privacy system does, it operates to render conversations less intelligible, and thus they become less distracting and they become more confidential. There are quite a few applications for sound masking. Installing sound masking effectively triples the distance between the employees in an area like that. We can help in eliminating a lot of that noise distraction.